Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I just received my Felicity Jane subscription box. It has been probably a week, and I'm just not getting to video this. I'm hoping to get that up, or get this video up next week. So yeah, so let's just hop in. Alright, if you guys aren't familiar with Felicity Jane, it is felicityjane.com. The gal who owns it is amazing. She's very creative. I love her style. You can see how beautiful a job she does on these. So it is, I thought she had her email on here. Oh well, at Felicity Jane Studio. But go to her Instagram. It's gorgeous. Go to her website. Everything she does is done very beautifully. From the ribbon, it is a gorgeous satin ribbon, cut beautifully, tied beautifully, to the tissue. I use everything. That tissue is beautiful. And she's kind of known for those scallop edges. Now, I saved this and used for gift bags. I know, I'm so cheap, but it's gorgeous. There's nothing wrong with it. It's brand new. So let me pull all this out. I'm going to put this down here in my box. I just keep a box of it, and if I need to, I go back in and put it in Ziploc bags, you know, in case I get different colors. But, so let's just hop in here. I'm going to pull everything out, and hold on. Whoops, I heard something clink. Yep-o, I got a clinker. I'm going to take this out. I have a stash of all this gorgeous tissue that I keep so I can reuse it, and of course, I use the ribbon. So now, you can either keep these. These are great for organizing your scrapbook pages in. I mean, these are fantastic. You lay your scrapbook pages, you do a power layout, you lay everything out, then you come back in and you adhere it all, and then you journal it all, and these are perfect. We used to sell boxes like these at Creative Memories. So don't throw these away. They are always good to keep, and they're really pretty. So, alright. Here we go. Just one second. I'm going to stick that to the side. And I am keeping that because I've got a bunch of layouts that I've got to get done. I used to keep all of those and then recover them and, you know, give them, you know, for gift giving, things like that. But anyways, there gets a point where you're just kind of going, I have boxes stacked everywhere. I need to get rid of them. So keep what you can use, share the rest, or recycle. So, alright, so this particular month is Elizabeth. I love Elizabeth. And for those of you who don't know, we have a daughter named Elizabeth. And she's in heaven, but I love the name, and I love the story of Elizabeth in the Bible. So I was really excited when I saw online that this was what she was doing. She was, last I checked, sold out on the Elizabeth stamp. So when the stamp comes, I'm going to get it. So you can see the colors. And, yeah. And our Elizabeth... we have another daughter we lost, Abigail. So Abigail is the pink and Elizabeth is the yellow. So, and whenever I put flowers out at the, you know, the graveside, I put pink and yellow. So anyways, all right. So let's just get started here. So here, first off, are the gorgeous Elizabeth chipboard alphabet. I love these. They're big, they're chunky, but they're so light and thinly, you know, the color's been put on there thinly, that it just looks very delicate. So I also love how she does her edges on these. So you know I use everything, and I also kept those off and I use them like washi. So for any kind of strips. So anyways, use everything. She always does everything with so much thought. And the other thing that is in this kit are chipboards, and I have seen this. Matter of fact, this is out everywhere. So I'm just going to show you through here. Look at all the chipboards you get, all for summer. I absolutely love this. These are amazing quality. If you have not used her chipboard, it's not punched out. They've been cut beautifully. You just put your adhesive on the back and you go. And this one comes with 16. So that's really super generous. I was thrilled to see these epoxy stickers. They're just different shapes of flowers and hearts and dots, and just really pretty. And the colors of these are just so subtle, and don't they just match that beautifully? I mean, seriously, her eye for color is always astounding to me. Here are the stamps for this, and she does the clear stamps. I love these. They don't take up much room in my scrap room, and I literally put these in by You know, like I'll put all the Elizabeth one month, and once I use everything up, then I'll kind of feed it into the rest of my Felicity Jane supplies. So, but I love these stamps. You can use these, you know, my Happy Place, Bloom, you know, Sunny Days or Good Times. There are a lot of these you can use year round. Good Vibes Only, Relax, and then she has Elizabeth. So anyways, but I think that these are really beautiful. Of course, you use the flowers year round. You can use the love, you know, anytime. And then she has the color in stamps is what I call them. But you know, you can stamp a color and then put that on top, and you've got it. Or stamp your rose in black ink, preferably one that doesn't run, and then you can go in with a lighter colored and then just stamp it and color it that quickly. So again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, now. So this time we get layered stickers. And these stickers, if you can't see, they're sewn. So see the thread? So for Christmas this last year, I asked my husband for a sewing machine for paper only. And he was like, what? He said, but you have a sewing machine. I said, well, I have a commercial machine that I don't want to take a chance. I'm sure it would be fine. And he said, okay. And I said, I just really want a really inexpensive. He picked up a Janome. I think I took it back and got a Brothers or something. And because it just had a few more bells and whistles. It was way under $100. It was such a good deal. But she's done these for us. So if you aren't sure if you like that look, because see how the banners are connected, and if you're not sure, this is a great way to play with it. So really beautiful layered stickers, and they're all sewn. Really nice touch. Okay, now look at these. These are some charms. So they're kind of like rubber because they move. They're not super hard, but you just adhere these down. These are so, so, so cute. So they're the roses. There's the lemons. There's the hearts. And Sunny Days, Memories, Happiness. How cute is that? 9 pieces. Easy peasy. Feels like there's extra this month. I don't know. And then she has her ATC cards or her journaling cards, whatever you like to call them. And it's really just off of the paper colors. So you have one that says Details, S for Summer. Whoops, you have she always does like a half with that empty area if you want to journal. There's these if you want to put pictures or memorabilia. These are great for journaling, or you can layer up other stickers on there, and or like the chipboard. That'd be cute with the chipboard on there. One of the chipboard pieces. There's the colors there of the stars and the sentiment, Sunshiny Days. I love this. That gingham and kind of that rose colored. I love that. This is great for journaling. This is great for all kinds of, these are great for like flips or tip-ins or however you want to use them. And of course on the backs, they're all graph or dot grid. So, but I love that one. I think that's so pretty. And then here's the roses. So again, she does an amazing job. They all tie with the paper. They tie with the stickers. They tie with the stamps. They tie with the chipboard. She's amazing. So Gina, if you're watching this, great job. I love this. Now, and of course, here's the card that comes with, and I use every one of these. I think they're so pretty. They decorate a page nicely, and if you want to be able to journal in the back, then just put some either gesso or you can either just adhere some kind of a, piece of white paper to, cardstock, whatever you want to do. I usually just use them decoratively because I'm just going to go fast. I mean, I know this of myself. So here are the ephemera pieces. This is one of my favorite things that she does. I love these. I use these everywhere in my Bible journaling, in my Bibles. I use these. I literally just keep these in one Ziploc bag. I add all my ATC from her. I try to keep it with the kit for a while, and then once I'm finished, I throw them all in together because I just love them. But let me see here. Let me do this because I think we can see these better if I get this out from behind. But so you can just see there's a tag, there's little banners, and here, of course, is Elizabeth. Isn't she darling? She's so cute. Here's like a half tag. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then she always has flowers, and hold on guys, let me get this better. Now, there's leaves, flowers, and hold on. Let's see. There's always so much in these. Okay. So we've got more flowers, and I'm going to kind of separate these out. So you have flowers, you have bows. If I don't drop them, I don't know really what that is, but I guess you can go over and layer that up. Oh, that's cute. Isn't that cute? All right, and then you've got more flowers, you've got bows, you've got sentiments. I love that. And then there's relax, here's summer. Okay, I thought I had two there. More flowers. She definitely is my kind of designer. I love all the flowers and the leaves and how I can build them. And then there's always some little bitty different flowers in. A color strip. More of these kind of banners. They're so great for journaling. Here's another banner. Another flower. Different kind of flower. A lemon. A different, you know, another flower, more lemons again. I mean, she does really work hard to coordinate all these together. Here's another one of those half tags, leaves, another little bitty flower, and more bows. So, super cute, super fun. Again, I use these, I turn these inside out, I use them, I make my own journaling tags out of these. I use every bit of her goodies. Now, every month she kind of sends a little bit of different stuff. So this month we get like little white and yellow sprinkles and little bitty lemons. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. Oh, they're tiny. They're like little lemon sequins. They're just so tiny. Hope you guys can see that. Isn't that cute? It's like the open cut of a lemon. So, and there's different sizes of those. Oh my goodness gracious. So, she has a lot of these, and then she has the white and yellow sprinkles. How cute would that be in a shaker card? I mean, seriously. Oh, your brain's kind of going, wow, there's so much. That's how I think. All right, so now, I'm not going to take all the paper out because I don't want to bore you. So, here's all the patterns of the paper. These I absolutely adore. They're beautiful. So there's the lemons, the waves, there's a plaid, there's like a framed white paper with black, marks. There is a green striped, white with black polka dots, hearts, script, gingham in that kind of funky greeny yellow. There is like sewing, what am I trying to say, lines that are sewn, and it's white with black, it looks like, and then there's the flowers. Now, she always puts in some gorgeous complimentary cardstock with, they all have the bottom like that, that's scalloped. I use everything. I use it even on the designer paper. If I flip this over, it will have something on the bottom of that branding strip. So, again, this is the Elizabeth kit by Felicity Jane. It is absolutely gorgeous. You get a lot in it. And because there's so much black, that ribbon would be so useful. I mean, seriously, think about that. There is so much to this kit. It is an amazing, amazing subscription. And every time I think, oh, maybe I should cut it out, I need to kind of cut back, and I just realize you can't put this together for this price. So, and this quality is unbelievable. It just really is. So, all right, it's kind of all thrown together, but I wanted to get in here and show you guys really quickly. So, hop on over to felicityjane.com or just Google Felicity Jane, and it'll get you there. And be sure to tell Gina that I sent you, that my channel sent you, and hopefully, you know, let's just support another woman, small business. I mean, she's a woman with a small business and a very kind lady. So, and she comes out with an amazing product. So, all right. I hope you guys like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are in the subscription for this, leave a comment below. I would love to know. And tell me how you use your monthly box. Do you use it in scrapbooking? Do you use it in card making? Do you use it in mixed media? Do you use it? How do you use it? I would love to know. Anyways, and so again, I said like, subscribe. If you are subscribed and you haven't hit that notification bell, hit that notification bell. I'll tell you every time a new video comes up. And if you don't want to watch it and it comes up on your phone, you can just swipe it away and watch it later. It's not a big deal. And then leave a comment below. Again, if you're getting this kit, tell me how you're using yours. I'd love to know, number one, you're getting the kit. Number two, how you're using it. And lastly, just know that you're prayed for. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.